Wow, look at this. Instead of a swimming pool, they've got another exact replica of the water feature we just saw. All right, so I'm on my own today. Tim is sick. I'm out here in Florida again. I'm videotaping more great customers and their water features. So this is a bit unusual. This lady actually chlorinates her water feature, which I think is cool because she uses it to get in. There's no maintenance associated with this when you just throw it in a chlorine tab every now and again. I would miss the fish and the plants, but for a customer that wants to just be able to enjoy, refresh a little bit, and see a beautiful water feature instead of just looking at a pool 365 days a year, this is the perfect type of a setup. So hopefully this job will motivate you to do something similar. You don't have to be the same. She said people walk into her property and they're just amazed and blown away, and you know what? It's even less cost than a swimming pool would be in this area. So check this out.
I moved to Florida from Ohio, and in Ohio I loved gardening. When I came to Florida, I knew I wanted a home with a space to garden. I knew I needed water in the backyard, but I didn't want a pool. I wanted a water feature, I wanted a waterfall, so that there was a bit of a sound aspect because these homes are quite close together and we can hear each other's conversations. So the waterfall mutes that and gives me a level of privacy. There's no work, really. I put chlorine tablets in maybe once or twice a week. Part of what my vision was just a place to put a chair in the water, read a book, have a glass of wine, and cool off on a hot summer day. I talked to at least 10 contractors. Well, Tim was one of the few that did ponds. Most of the people I talked to were pool people because I didn't know where else to go. Tim immediately got my vision. We just hit it off, we clicked. He knew exactly what I was looking for.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I think this was one of the first times I've ever seen this, was Tim's doing these little unique vaults. The pump sits down there. It's got a nice stacked slate area around it, and that's where all the water flows and just recirculates up top to the spillway. Waterfall spillway's up there. Just takes the water down, brings it back out. Pretty nice. Pretty unique. Okay, we're here, nobody is home. They just said walk around the back. I can hear the waterfall. Kind of exciting not knowing what I'm gonna see today. Another screened in area. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Instead of a swimming pool, they've got another exact replica of the water feature we just saw. He's got a slate area so that they can, I'm imagining, splash around in here. Maybe they've got grandkids. Maybe they are like her and just come out with a chair. Nice waterfalls. Got a spillway up there on the top. Another one over here. Got some gravel up in the stream up here. Wow, I so prefer this to just a swimming pool. Another vanishing edge going down into a vault. Gorgeous. So why don't we show you a little bit about how this thing works. Go up here on the top. Make sure we can see a waterfall diffuser that he's got in here. Yep. So the pump sits down there. Line circulates. The diffuser spreads the water out evenly and then just recirculates. It's nice and lit up at night. Whole new dimensions at night up here. Looking at this. Another waterfall diffuser over here. Same exact thing. Hidden. When you build a water feature, you don't want to see the rubber, you don't want to see the plastic, you don't want to see the pumps, the plumbing. Looks like another chlorinated project, but here's two water features within 10 homes of each other, both built very similar. This is a double waterfalls and a little bit bigger than Susan's, but look at the beautiful landscaping and just this relaxing area. I can tell you what, I wouldn't mind sitting here and enjoying that view and that sound. Not bad. Another cool project. All right, show me your beautiful urns here. Look at that. Once again, another screened in porch instead of a pool or a chlorinated pond. These guys went with the stacked slate urns. This is pretty cool. So you got you can control the flow with your pump, right?
You go up and down the...
And then they look great at night, don't they?
Yeah, they look like, it looks like a plane.
Yeah,
We knew we didn't want another pool.
because of the maintenance, and you don't use it a lot.
No, and we end up going up to the community pool, but we wanted the sound.
Well, I love your style. Fantastic.